Hey, it's Andrew Daniels with Popular Mechanics, and this is the Boosted Rev. It is the first vehicle-grade electric scooter on the market, ready to own. Gives you 22 miles to a single charge, tops out at 24 miles an hour, and we know it's cool to look at, but let's go see how it handles. When you're ready to take your trip, you just power up, choose 1 to 3 speeds. You can go slow, moderate, fast. I like to go fast, so that's what I'm gonna do. Here we go. So the scooter has a really simple, intuitive throttle wheel that allows you to just switch back and forth between acceleration and braking with just the roll of your thumb. Right now I'm about 16, 17. Now that I got a nice, smooth stretch of parking lot, gonna try to go to 24. We're getting there, baby! 19, 21, 22, 23, 24! It was a rush, all right. Steering is really nice. The turns are really nice and easy as well. You do have to obey the rules of the road when other cars are on the road, but chances are you are going slower than those cars. When you need to turn, switch lanes, it's nice and seamless. There are brake lights and front lights to let other cars know that you're switching lanes as well. Really smooth ride unless you decide to come to a screeching halt, and even then, the braking is pretty smooth too. Because it's got 3 braking systems on the scooter, an electronic and mechanical disc brake, and then a rear fender brake that you can tap if need be. What would this be good for? A quick mile trip around Business Park, go to campus, maybe stop at the market. You gotta go a couple blocks in the city. This is better than, paying a couple bucks for an Uber, definitely. It is designed for the road for sure, but if you need to hop in the grass in a pinch, that's fine too. It handles pretty well. There's some jolts, but that's to be expected if you take your bike on the grass as well. It's about what you'd expect. And the Power actually handles 25% grade hills pretty easily. Now, we didn't have a 25% grade hill in our testing area, but the hills that we did take it on, it handled no problem. Today, we rode for about 45 minutes at top speed. This is how you know you're due for a charge. This is 1 out of 5. It's 46 pounds, which isn't exactly light, but it's light enough to just plop in your trunk and take it with you wherever you want to go. So this thing is safe, it's sturdy, but most importantly, it's fun as hell. It retails for $15.99 and you can get it now at boostedboards.com.